The graphic association interaction gives test takers the opportunity to demonstrate knowledge by defining, connecting, or associating information on a map or graphic in a prescribed way. To create a graphic associate interaction item, click on Items on the Assessment Builder bar. Then again on the folder in which you want the item to reside. You can create a new folder at any time. Now, let's create a new item. Type the name of the item into the label field. Save, then move on to authoring. The library panel on the left shows you all the possible QTI interaction types you can create using Tau. From the Graphic Interactions category, drag and drop the graphic associate icon onto the item canvas. Browse, select, and upload your desired graphic with Add File. Fill in the question field. Now insert hotspots onto the graphic by clicking on one corner and dragging across the intended area. Go to the Response tab and select the correct associations between hotspots. If you prefer to assign points to each answer, you can do so with Map Response. Then simply fill in the point scores for each individual response. Now that you've successfully created a new item, save and get a preview. Remember, this is just one of many QTI interaction types that Tau supports. Don't forget to check out the rest.